Have a look at these solid lines on the opposite side of the road. What are they for? The cars that just went past went straight across them. Should they have done that? Here's the same road on a different day, and if we look on the right side, there's no warning for traffic flowing in this direction for what this is for, but we could see it's a cycle lane coming in the opposite direction. But again, see, the silver car went straight across that marking. And again, we've got another example of the disregard for solid white lines. There's a simple way to deal with them actually. Just treat them as if they were a curb. Because then you'll never have any issues if a cyclist is coming down that cycle lane. Keep safe, everyone.